Hey guys, Jesse Helmendauer with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Today we're going to go over the supine straight leg raise. So Andrew's already set up in good position. He is supine, meaning he is on the ground. He's nice and hollowed out. Lower back is digging in the floor. Hands are pressing to the ground. And let's go ahead and raise your legs up. He's going to go till his ankles get just past his hips and then come back down, trying to keep his legs straight. This is a little bit different than the supine knee draw. The supine knee draw has a little bit of a knee bend. This straight leg raise has no knee bend. Eventually what we're going to do is we're going to act as if we're hanging from a bar. So Andrew, if you want to go ahead and put your hands back behind you on this kettlebell. Woo, yeah, open it up here a little bit. Really difficult position now because we've opened up and he has his arms overhead. Really trying to maintain nice, good hollow body position. Let's do the same movement for 3 reps. Good stuff. He's trying to point his toes as far away from as he can. If Andrew has any active hip compression issues or any posterior chain, like his back or his glutes or his hamstrings are tight at all, this becomes very difficult. Good stuff.